Hi everyone, thank you for joining our Agrimaster tutorial. Today we are going to be going through a video on how to install Agrimaster on a new PC or reinstall Agrimaster on an existing machine. So let's jump right in. We'll start by opening a browser, either Internet Edge or Google Chrome or whichever browser you normally use for your day-to-day internet browsing. Once you click and open the browser, you should be on a browsing screen like I am. I've got Agrimaster open, but normally you'd have either Google search or something else, whatever your default home screen is. So to start, we'll just go onto the bar on the top, on the search bar, and we'll start by typing install Agrimaster. If you've got Google search, you can do the same on Google search as well and click enter. First option that you see on the top is the one that we are after because it's from our website. So you can see it says install Agrimaster and it's got agrimaster.com.au, which is our website. So click on that. Once you've clicked on the link, the first link that you see in internet search, just go on the top and click on the little blue click here. And that should start the download. As you can see, it's starting to download. So when it starts, you see a little circle on the top where it's about to run the download. So we'll wait for it to complete. So usually this depends on the internet speed, how quick your internet is or how quick your machine is. Sometimes it could take a little bit longer. Also, these options on the top. So when you get this window, it's got a little folder on the side, which is where the download is going to sit. So either we can go into that download folder or we can just open the download right from here once the file is downloaded completely. Wait for it to finish. There we go, it's finished. We can actually we can run the installer from here, but I'll go through the longer option, which means we'll go on to the destination folder of this file and then open the installer from there. So once click on that, there we go. That's our Agrimaster installer that's downloaded from our website. Now we're going to double click on this to start the install. Double click. So once I double click on the installer, depending on if the Agrimaster is already sitting on your computer and you're trying to reinstall it, it'll give you an option to remove the previous install first. So you can go through that wizard. In our case, I've already deleted or gone into add or remove the software, and I've removed it. That's why it's not giving us that option. So it's nice and fresh. Let's go next. Gives you the terms and conditions. I'll accept the terms and conditions. Go next. This is the location of this file, so you don't need to change it. That's the default location for any installer that you're installing, any program that you're installing on Windows. So you can leave it as is, unless there is a specific reason to change it, which I don't have. So go next and click on install. That's going to run through the installer. So it'll install all the local files on your computer, and then it'll install the shortcut onto desktop. You might get a pop-up like I've got one. Do you want to install this program on your computer? You go yes. This is now validating the install, so we'll wait for it to finish. We'll start to create Windows registry, copy all the local files in your C drive. Also guys, as it's pretty straightforward, I'll just take this opportunity to tell you a little bit about Agrimaster installers because it's a semi-cloud operating system, which means you need to have it as a desktop application, but you can run it on multiple computers, not just at the same time, because that sort of defies the purpose. You can only do the work on your file at one point. Only one person can do the work on the file at one point in time, but you can have this on multiple computers. And depending if you're traveling or if you've got multiple offices, you can open it from wherever location you're on. But you have to make sure that the Agrimaster on the previous computer is shut down properly, so you can open it on any location, which is also a good practice because then you can make sure that your data is backed up every time you finish your work. So you should be making sure that you're closing Agrimaster over every every session, which is a very good practice to do anyways. And that allows you to work from multiple locations as well. We're almost done here. Most of the time, once this install is complete, it'll create a shortcut on your desktop. Once that shortcut is created, you can double click on that shortcut and it will open Agrimaster for you. But if you don't see that shortcut, you can also go into the Start menu and search for Agrimaster and create a shortcut. We'll wait for it to complete. And here we go, it's starting services. Registering the product, and we are done. So once you see this finish, click on finish. You can close this. We can also close our browser. This is a testing machine. That's why you don't see the desktop shortcut. But normally by this time, you'll have a shortcut on your desktop, and it'll be your usual Agrimaster logo, which you'd normally used to. So just click on that desktop shortcut, double click on it. It should open localhost. And if you have done this before, if you've logged into it before, it'll take you straight to your account. Otherwise, it'll ask you for an Agrimaster user number and password, which you can log in, and then you're good to go. You're on the file manager. So thank you for watching, everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help articles or book a one-on-one consult for anything else you need support with. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Thank you.